Vision is an incredibly important sense that's essential for interacting with the world. And if you ask people what they're worried about in terms of their healthcare, losing their vision is always right at the top of the list. And by the year 2050, the number of people dealing with blindness is expected to double to about 8 million people. There are hundreds of different mutations that cause inherited retinal degeneration. Previously, we've never had any way to treat inherited retinal degenerations, but in the past decade or so, we've found that gene therapy is a method for treating inherited retinal degenerations. And so really, this is the first time that we've been able to create therapies that can really deal with the mutations that are causing inherited retinal degeneration. My lab has developed a new platform for developing gene therapies called Scavenger. Scavenger stands for single-cell AAV engineering. AAV is the viral vector that we use to transfer therapeutic or healthy transgenes to the retina. In the past, it's taken years to develop a single vector that's appropriate for clinical translation, and I felt that that was too slow. We have developed this pipeline to really accelerate the rate at which new viral vectors can be screened and validated prior to bringing them to the clinic. What we do is we take this small virus and remove the viral genes that are carried inside of this capsid, and we replace them with a therapeutic or a healthy copy of a human gene. This virus then has the capacity of infecting a cell and carrying a healthy copy or a non-mutated copy of a human gene that would be mutated in a patient suffering from a disease. We've harnessed the ability that a virus has to transfer genes to a cell, and we're now using it for good. There's a huge potential to develop a complete toolbox of AAV vectors to treat inherited retinal degeneration and potentially other diseases in other tissues as well. We're incredibly lucky that here at Pitt we have the capability and capacity to bring therapies from the bench to the bedside. And there's a new initiative here in Pittsburgh to manufacture gene therapies and cell therapies. It's just an incredible opportunity for us to develop a therapy and to be able to manufacture that therapy here in Pittsburgh, and then actually to run clinical trials with the help of our clinical partners at UPMC. Really, it's just an amazing confluence of opportunity here right now. I do believe that the next breakthrough in vision research can come from Pittsburgh.